Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails with fruits using an easy method. We'll start by selecting the freshest, ripest fruits, as they are key to vibrant flavors. Next, we'll learn about simple syrup, a crucial ingredient for balancing sweetness and highlighting the fruit's natural essence. Then, I'll show you how to gently muddle fruits to extract their delicious juices. And finally, we'll use a shaker with ice for perfect chilling and dilution. When choosing fruits, consider options like juicy berries, tangy citrus, or sweet stone fruits. They all work wonderfully. Always remember to wash your fruits thoroughly before you begin any preparation. For muddling, slice or dice your chosen fruits into small, manageable pieces. And for an extra layer of aroma and flavor, don't forget to zest your citrus fruits before juicing them. Now, let's build your delicious cocktail. In your shaker, combine the muddled fruit, about 1.5 ounces of your preferred spirit, and 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Add plenty of ice, then shake vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds until the shaker is frosty cold. Finally, double strain your mixture into a chilled glass for a perfectly smooth and refreshing drink. To complete your masterpiece, garnish your cocktail with a fresh fruit slice, a vibrant herb sprig, or even a delicate sugar rim for an extra touch of sweetness. Serve your creation immediately to ensure it's enjoyed at its optimal, chilled temperature. Remember, the fun is in experimenting. Try different fruit and spirit combinations to discover your new favorite easy fruit cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.